We're here at the 50th Autorama. We've got two cars debuting this year. They're both 1968s. Let's check them out. In this Camaro, we put a 500 horsepower LS3 GM Performance. They work great in these old muscle cars. One of my favorite features on this car is the hideaway headlight grille. Let's check it out. What really makes this car stand out is the vinyl top. Really unique on these cars. A lot of people don't put them back on, but man, I think it looks great. If you look in here, you'll see a full black interior. If it's black, it's in this car. All the knobs, handles, steering wheel, shift knob, AC vents. Along with the full black interior, we have the full black wheel package. These are 18 by 12.5 forge line wheels. It's a three-piece wheel. The barrel's been gloss black powder coated. The center's been flat black powder coated to go with the theme of this car. So these cars need to stop as good as they go. And with the Wilwood 6-piston brake caliper package, they stop amazing. To match the front, we blacked out the back. So that taillight panel has been painted to match the grille. It's a satin center with a gloss black bezel. Looks great. The most complimented part of this car is the color. It was matched to the customer's motorcycle, and man, did it turn out perfect. Speaking of custom color, you'll notice a Mustang. This is a 1968 Mustang, and it's got a custom color on it as well. The owner's trucking company is this color, so he wanted his Mustang to match. This is the original 302 that came with this car, but we took it out and had it stroked to a 347. They make tons of power, sounds great. On this Mustang, we went with the Shelby American Racing wheel. It's a great look for these Mustangs, timeless design. For stopping power, we choose Wilwood brake, the 6-piston up front, the 4-piston in the rear. Pair that with the Hydro Boost braking system, these cars stop amazing. If you come around to the side, we'll look at the inside. This car's done more traditional style. It's got the Dakota digital gauges, but they look factory. They're an amazing gauge set for these cars. Wood grain steering wheel. I think it tops off this interior. We went with the TMI seats, all black, red stitching to match the paint. Looks great. These cars were not painted here body color, they were black, but the owner wanted the color brought to the inside, and man, does it look good in these cars. Look at that dash. Cars used to have cool features. Let's check this one out. That's the flip-top gas cab. Such a cool feature on these cars. Whether you're a Ford fan or a Chevy fan, hope you like what you saw. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.